So Moxie has a toy bird. Not sure if she thinks it's real or not, because it's squawking. Did you just figure out it's not real, Moxie? Get it, Moxie. So we're gonna have to go in here and make sure she doesn't eat it. So I'll have to take it away from her after a little while and only let her play with it while I'm supervising. Moxie, get it! Good job, Moxie! She does this exact same thing to full prey when we give it to her. We give it to them, we buy it frozen, and then we thaw it out and give it to them, so it's not alive. But she'll play with it and toss it around for a while. She seems to really like that it's making that chirping noise. Dakotah's just watching her. Moxie is the boss, so, of this relationship. She's a female, and Dakotah right here is the male. Come back here again. Oh, she's got it in her mouth. This toy's a hit, huh? Get it, Moxie. Just focus on handsome Dakotah for a minute. So the way that I will get this toy away from them is I will take these little lockout cages they have, which open from the outside, and I'll put food in there, and then I use these levers to open the doors. So, like that, so they can run in. So I will shut them in here with food, and then I can safely go in to get this toy. This is also how we go in to clean and everything. Because we give stuffed animals very rarely, and we watch them because sometimes they will eat the stuffing, and we've never had it happen. Luckily, we've learned from other sanctuaries' mistakes, but or their accidents. They can eat the stuffing, it could cause a blockage, and the only way to fix that intestinal blockage is a major surgery, which you can imagine on wildcats is not an easy thing because we have to have a special vet. They have to be sedated and all that. It's not just like, it's never an easy surgery, even if it's a domestic animal, but it's even worse with big cats. She's really enjoying this. This is great.